Today I'm going to be decluttering my closet. Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be decluttering my closet. I do share my closet with my boyfriend, but he's nice enough to let me basically take over the entire closet. So thank you to Cody for that. And mainly I wanted to take you guys along on how I sell my clothes online. I've developed a few ways to make it a bit easier for me, and also share with you guys the primary platform that I use to sell my clothing, which is Poshmark. So here's my Poshmark. It's Hey Carmen Hey. If you guys are interested, you guys can download Poshmark in the US and Canada using the link in my description box. You guys can shop from my closet and from your favorite brands. But first, let's just go through my entire closet and figure out what I need to sell. So let's do that. There's a lot ahead of me. I dress super comfortably and I can't wait to share my tips with you. So if you guys are interested, just please keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys closer. I'm not sure about you guys, but like my closet's not perfect, or our closet's not perfect. So some of it is just an organized chaos, but I do have coats on this side and then sweaters on this side. So let me go ahead and open it so you guys can see what we're working with. So this section is mainly my boyfriend, so I'm not gonna touch it. But this section is mine. I do kind of like Marie Kondo it, but I don't really like hold it and feel it for a sense of anything because I just have so much clothes. It's more so like if I just haven't worn it or if I'm not attached to it for any reason, I'm gonna try to let it go. So yeah, let's go through them. So like this is a perfectly good trench coat from Express, but I got a new trench coat recently, so I think I won't be wearing this one, but it's in great condition. I think I wore it like 5 times and it's super cute, so I'm going to be selling this. I'm just gonna throw this on my bed for the sell pile. So yeah. And yeah, in case you guys were curious about the trench that is replacing the other trench, this is the new trench. She's from Princess Polly, super cute, and I really like this one. Okay. So this is a really nice coat. I did keep it last season, but I've noticed I haven't worn it. So I'm going to sell it now because I've gave myself several opportunities to wear her by keeping it, but it hasn't worked out. So I have to bite the bullet and sell her. And like the Marie Kondo method, this year my mom bought me when we went shopping together. And although I don't wear it, it still holds a special place in my heart, so I'm gonna keep it. I think I could still wear it for like summer stuff and like a beach throw over, so there's that. So this is a shirt I got last year. It's a satin material. I think that's still pretty in, and I haven't worn it this whole fall, so, and I actually forgot about it. So this is definitely a good item for me to sell, so I'm gonna throw it into the sell pile. I've had this for years and years and years. So yeah, this is the olive bomber jacket. If you guys are into fashion, I'm sure you guys remember when these were popular, and I haven't worn this. This coat is actually super warm for some reason, and hopefully it finds a new home because they're going on my Poshmark. So yeah. This also, I wore it earlier this fall, but I think I've gotten enough wear out of it, so I'm going to sell this one. I actually love making room in my closet. I don't know why I'm like this. So this is actually just a never-ending process for me. Okay, so we're through with jackets. I'm gonna move over to the sweatshirts. Sweatshirts and sweatpants, just like random bulky items. I have these sweatpants. I haven't worn them, so I'm going to let them go. I have these corduroy pants. They're brand new, and I haven't worn them, but yeah, just some items you just don't get to. So I also take this as a good time to reorganize my closet. So I'm just trying to put together how I want to organize them. So right now I have sweatshirts here, and I'm probably going to put sweatpants next to that. I have these butterfly sweatpants. I just have a lot of sweatpants, so I'm going to try to let these go. Just whatever I don't think I'm going to wear, I'm just going to let them go. I'm going to let this one go. I haven't worn them. This one I like, so I'm going to keep it. Here and up is my boyfriend's stuff. He's taller than me, so he gets the taller stuff. So everything else is good. So I'm going to move on. The biggest section's on this side, so let's go on this side. It's it's a little bit messy, so please excuse us. So this is all the hanging items. I think here and on is my boyfriend's, so we can just go through here. I did just move a lot of my jackets to the outside closet that I want to keep, so that saved me some work there. And I'm just going to go through my closet now and see what I haven't worn. Okay, I haven't worn this guy for a few seasons now. I loved it when I had it, but I think I just am not going to grab for it. It's from a really good brand, Free People, and I think someone can definitely use this in their closet, so I'm gonna try to sell this one. And also, if you guys can tell, all of this clothes is appropriate for the season right now. So also it's way more likely for it to sell rather than if you're going to sell your summer clothes. So yeah, right now it's colder weather, so I'm going through all of my colder weather clothing and trying to sell that. Okay, let me move it down because I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, hello. We are on the floor now. We're more than 50% done, which is great. I'm just going to go through these two drawers. This drawer is my pants or bottoms. So I'm going to try to go through them now. So these are some jeans I got last year. I love them. I don't think I'm going to really reach for them anymore because I'm just obsessed with my Golden jeans. So I'm going to sell these. These are some trousers I got recently, but they're pretty thin, and I live on the East Coast, so I think these would be really useful for someone in a warmer climate maybe, so I'm going to try to sell these. And also, when I'm going through my closet, because I'm kind of messy about everything, I rediscover items that I love but I just forget about. So I love these jeans from Princess Polly. They're like the CC Hammer jeans, and they're super cute and flattering, so I'm so glad that I found them. I'll probably wear them today or tomorrow. Super exciting. Also, this is a good time to probably also get out the seasonal clothing. So I don't think it's warm enough anymore to wear summery skirts. So I'm going to take out all of my summery skirts and put them into storage. So I have to make a separate section for that. Looking through my closet, I do have a good amount of skirts, but I think it would be a good idea to make like a separate skirt section, and I have a lot of room in there, so I'm gonna move it over there and have a skirt section. I have these trousers from Express, also with these white trousers. I'm going to sell them as well. And yeah, it's all clear. I love it so much. Just FYI, I'm not selling all my clothes. I have a gigantic pile of clothes in my hamper. I'll show you guys really quick. So that's the clothes that probably fill up all this empty space. So let me show you guys. This is the gigantic hamper that I was talking about. Yeah, my hamper stops like right here. So this is probably like 2-3 loads of clothes. But yeah, that's basically all the clothes that will go in the empty space. So we are on to the last drawer. This is mainly my tops and stuff. And then once I sort through this, I'm just going to try on every single one of the items. I feel like it definitely helps with the sale of the items to see it on someone else rather than just taking a picture of the item. So I do take the time to do that. So let's go through this. Okay, so this is mostly small tops. For items that are like super small and I didn't get them for much, I just usually will donate them or just use them like as a rag or something. I did find like a tank dress, so I'm gonna move this into my seasonal clothing section. For tops like these, it's pretty unique, and I feel like they gain a good amount of traction on Poshmark, and I have a pretty high success rate of selling them, so I'm going to sell this one. Boring stuff to the back, interesting stuff to the front. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to reorganize and then come back and share with you guys how I take pictures. Okay, so these are all of the items that I've picked out. I've kind of organized them, and then I'm going to try on all of the same items at the same time, so everything will go a lot easier. So all bottoms at the same time with the same top, and then same tops and bottoms with all of my jackets, and then same bottoms with all of my different tops. So let's do it. Okay, so this is my basic outfit that I'm going to wear with all the jackets. It also doesn't hurt for these items to be items that you want to sell. So I want to sell both of these, and I'm just going to do all the jackets. I'm probably just going to put on a video to listen to and then take all the pictures. So let's do that. Also, just really quickly, I wanted to show you what it would be like for the picture. So most of the background is pretty plain. It's as plain as it can be. I have a pretty clear mirror, some good lighting. I moved everything out from the background as much as I could, so nothing is distracting from the item that I'm listing. And yeah, so we are set up for success. I also clipped up my hair to just get it out of the way, and also helps with not overheating because I'm just constantly moving and putting clothes on and taking it off. I also accessorized a little bit just to make the outfit or picture look a little bit cuter. And my last tip is that it's probably a good idea for you to change the ratio to square, because all of the pictures on Poshmark are for squares. So it just really helps to make sure to get everything in the image, and then you don't really have to worry about cropping it too much later. So with all that, let's just get started. Okay, now I'm going to do bottoms. I'm done with all of the tops, I think. And yeah, let's do bottoms. And I'm done. I took a picture of everything. I guess let me show you guys my phone really quick. Here are all of my items. Wow. So yeah, I'm just going to clean up all of this clothes. Let me show you guys. So here's the gigantic pile that I made. This is literally all of the items that I've taken a picture of. So this is how I list on Poshmark. I do use Amazon Photos to store all of my photos. It just makes the photo transfer a lot easier. So I'm just going into my Amazon Photos account and selecting all of the images that I took for the Poshmark listings. So all I do is just hold the shift button and then select everything that I want to be highlighted. So this is just an example of the zip file. I wanted to show you guys when you open the zip file from, at least for Amazon Photos, it's in this HEIC format, but Poshmark doesn't take it in this format. So I wanted to show you how to convert a large amount of photos really quickly into a different format if you're looking for that. So I'm going to change it into JPEG. So you just go into File, Export Selected Items. And here I'm just creating a new folder just so I have everything in the same place. And then right under options, you can select the format. So here I am selecting JPEG. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe like a minute or so, but it's super easy. And now I want to move on to how I actually create a listing on Poshmark. Almost all of my orders are online orders, so I already have the information in the database for the store that I shopped at. So let's use this trench coat as an example. So I'm just picking the main photo that I like the most. So I think I'm going to go with this one, zoom in a little bit just to show the details. And then we're going to come back to the title because I actually found the exact name of the title. So I'm just filling out the category, quantity, size, if it comes with tags, the brand, the color, and then the pricing. So for the original pricing, I did end up finding it. So here it is, the original name, so classic double-breasted trench coat. So I'm going to scroll up and just paste that into the title. I also have to fill out the description. So I just give a cute little description of my thoughts and the condition. So finishing up, the original price I think was $148, so we're just going to fill that in. So I would like to sell this for $40, so that's what I'm going to list it at, and just finish up and list the item. So here it is, it's going to be added to my closet, and I'm just going to do the same process with all of the items that I took the picture for, and just showing you guys what it looks like on my closet. Okay. Hi guys, so I wanted to pop in. I'm about to ship out some Poshmark items that I've sold. I've edited everything you guys have seen up to here, so I thought I would include a outro. So let me put these down because I'm going to send them out. I just wanted to share I have made about right around $1,000 off Poshmark, so it's definitely a great place if you're looking to make room in your closet, declutter your closet, and have some extra money in your wallet or bank. I also utilize bundles and offers whenever interested Poshers or Poshmark people, I don't know, Poshers. And yeah, it's definitely a good way, at least for me, to get multiple items out of my closet. So there's that. This package, this little chunk here has 6 items in it. I mean, most of them are really teeny tiny crop tops, but yeah. So if you guys are interested, you guys can download Poshmark in the US and Canada. You guys can use my link in the description box down below to shop my closet and your favorite brand. If you guys found this video useful, please give it a like. If you guys want to see more from me, please consider subscribing. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.